It's the valedictory session in honor of Justice Amina Augie, who is retiring from the Supreme Court after attaining the mandatory age of 70. Present are senior lawyers and judges, past justices of the court, family and friends.
How I became who I am.
Justice Amina Augie harps on the role and importance of the Supreme Court and its justices, calling for an urgent amendment of the Constitution to strengthen the judiciary.
Implore the National Assembly to undertake the necessary constitutional amendments. By doing so, this court and its justices can be freed from the constraints that impede their ability to fulfill their mandate of upholding the rule of law, justice, and democracy.
The need for an independent judiciary dominated the discussion as members of the law profession suggest ways to improve justice delivery.
While we appreciate the urgency in reviewing the remuneration and judicial officers, which had not been done for over more than a decade as an integral component of our judicial reforms, we are also appreciative of the greater goal of achieving a true independence for the judiciary, which can only be achieved through a comprehensive and sustainable reform process which requires attention to details.
I want to report with due respect that very soon, in a couple of months, actually, as a matter of fact, the President has already directed that a working group be established for the consideration and harmonization of these recommendations for the purposes of implementation.
Justice Augie has spent the last 45 years in the nation's judiciary, and the Chief Justice of Nigeria acknowledges her contribution to the nation's justice system.
My Lord Amina believes strongly that a good judge must have the capacity to hear courteously, answer wisely, consider soberly, and decide impartially. That strong belief has had a tenacious foothold in all our judgments, and that is why she can conveniently walk tall among her peers.
Justice Augie's retirement brings the number of Supreme Court justices to 11, 10 short of the constitutionally required 21. This is one area that the judiciary will be hoping can be addressed as soon as possible. Emanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.